Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis of the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, kind of a sideways day for the pound dollar. Quite a few of the other dollar pairs did still make a pretty decent push. Now, looking at most of these, this actually looks like impulsive down. It looks more like three waves up to me, especially when you're looking at correlated dollar pairs. Kind of makes me think that this move down is actually already a wave C. So this would be the A, three waves up for a B, down for a wave C. I would definitely keep an eye on your fib levels, especially these lower ones, for a possible, 3, 4, 5 shape at the bottom of a wave C. Entry to go long and nice engulfing move to the upside. Most likely this is an ABC question, but if it does go down, take out these lows, then you'll know that it is at least going to make a bigger move to the downside. If it does not take out these lows, makes a higher low, makes it ABC, Fibonacci bounce, definitely continue to look for longs at the end of all these beautiful three-wave pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.